guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, this is Stickies. So in this video we are again with a scratch video. So in this video we are going to make a ping pong game. So I will tell you how this ping pong game works. So I have the download project here, and when I click the green flag, you can see this ball will rapidly be moving, and whenever it touches this paddle, the score will be increased by 1. So that's what we are gonna make. So let's go. So for that I'm taking a blank project and naming this ping pong. Ping pong. Okay. So and then we need to delete the sprites and choose a backdrop. So I'm gonna choose a neon tunnel, and I'm gonna choose a ball and a pad. Right, so we have the paddle and the ball here. So when the flag is clicked, this ball need to go to this direction. So when flag click, go to X. So there is the pointing direction 45. So like that, and then we need to forwardly move this one. Forever, we need to move this, this ball forever. So and then if on edge, bounce, and then we can make a variable called score. We click OK, and then when flag clicked, set score to 0. Okay, so you can change this 10 steps to 15 steps, and then the next we need to do is click on when flag click, if then block, go to sensing, touching paddle, change score by 1, and then we need to do is to again move. Sound will be popped. We can create another sound. I'm gonna choose ping pong hit. Okay, so start sound ping pong hit, and what we need to do is to move this block again, right? So go to motion, turn, operations, pick random from 160 to 200, and then move 15 steps. So that's the code complete here. We have done it as we have in this script, and then we need to code the paddle. So it's just so simple. It's when flag clicked, click forever. So it will go like this. But we have run into a problem here. That is, if touching paddle, that score is not increasing by 1, and that sound is not coming. All that problem is here. Let's see why. Because we have done it correct. Let's add a forward and then we can test it. Yes, it's now officially working. So that's how easy it is to make a game like this using Scratch. This is a cool glitch you can do with this game. Okay, so it's very fun to play this game like this. So it's like this. So that's how we see these. So, so see you in the next video. Bye.